Hi viewers and friends, welcome to this channel Satish Keys. I am B. Satish Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College Men's Srikakulam. Today we will discuss about the SET exam chemical science question paper. So let us start our topic today.
So the next 18th bit. So this is one alcohol is given, presence of HBr, presence of acid medium. Which of the following is the major product in the above rearrangement reaction? So this is called involving in a rearrangement reaction. So options is given. So A is one option and B and C and D is already given. So presence of acid medium. So the H plus it gives this HBr. So the oxygen take up this proton to form a protonated alcohol. This protonated alcohol removing of H2O ions, the ring extension takes place to form a cyclopentane ring. So the formation of carbocation here. So this forms a carbocation. Thus remaining Br minus is present in the reaction. So remaining Br ions attacks this carbocation to form a bromocyclopentane. So option is bromocyclopentane. So option D is the correct. The ring extension product is bromopentane. See the next bit. In volumetric titration, burette reading is expected to be 20 ml. The student report the titer values as 22 ml, 19 ml, 21 ml, 18 ml in 4 titration. The liter values are set to be. The burette reading is expected to be 20 ml, but the all values 21, 22, 18, 19 all are nearer to each other. So the measured values are deviated from each other by 1 ml. So all these values are precise. So option A is the correct answer. So answer is precise. So next bit, steady state approximation is used in the free radical polymerization of vinyl monomer in which. So rate of propagation is equal to initiation, rate of propagation is equal to termination, rate of initiation is equal to rate of termination. So the option C is the correct. How many molecules involved in initiation? So equal to termination. So option C is the correct answer. See the next bit. Which of the following is the best protective colloid? Here the lyophilic colloids, gelatins, egg albumin and gum arabic and potato starch and its gold numbers is given. You know the one relation, simple relation, that is called gold number inversely proportional to protecting power of colloid. Protecting power. Here the mold gold number less protective in nature. Here the less gold number is this, so it is a more protective colloid. So gelatin is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. So next bit. So the hypothetical reaction A plus 2B gives rise to P has the rate constant 1 into 10 to the power of minus 4 liter for mole second. The order of the reaction. See this rate constant units, liter, mole, inverse, second inverse. So this is called units of second order reaction. So option C is the correct answer. You can easily finding order of the reaction from the reaction. So it is very easy. Next bit. Which of the following complex is expected to be labile for ligand substitution? Labile means generally reactions it is involving in a very fast reactions or less CFSE value compounds and easily involving in a ligand substitution reactions. Those complexes are called labiles. Generally see this A and B and C, D. So this cyanides is a more strong ligands. Both are more stable complex. Both are inert complex. C in this case the electrons D3 configuration, in this case D4 configuration, in this case chromium 6 D3, in this case D4. See the CFSE values. So in this case weak field cases, H2O is a weak ligand, weak field ligand, so it forms a D3 means minus 3 into 0.4, 1.2 delta naught value. In this case 4 means 3 minus 1.2 delta minus plus 0.6 delta knots, then 0.6 delta knot. So the less CFSE value, so this is called more stable complex, so this is called less stable, that means labile complex. So generally answer A is the correct answer. Ions which is expected to have Jahn-Teller distortion in octahedral field. General octahedral Jahn-Teller distortion when symmetric electronic configuration of T2G and EG. Those electronic configuration complexes are does not show Jahn-Teller distortion. In this case D10, so it is a symmetrical, so T2G6 EG4, so symmetrical is off filled. D5 T2G3 EG2, so it is called symmetrical structure, so does not show any Jahn-Teller distortion. See in this cobalt 2 plus D7 in the presence of strong field ligand, so T2G6 EG1, in this case T2G6, so it is called symmetric, this is called asymmetric due to presence of one electrons in EG, so it shows a Jahn-Teller distortion. So option B is the correct. The correct sequence of ionic radii in increasing order of the cations cerium 3 plus, lanthanum 3 plus, promethium and ytterbium. See the lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium up to lutetium. According to lanthanide contraction, from lanthanide contraction, the ionic radii decreased from lanthanum to lutetium. So generally lanthanum is a more ionic radii than cerium, praseodymium, so the lanthanum is more, so the lanthanum, next cerium is 58, the 57, next promethium 59, samarium, europium, gadolinium, dysprosium, last finally it is a 70 ytterbium. So option A is the correct answer. The BOD value in clean water is, so generally the low, so biological oxygen demand value below 5 ppm, so it is a clean water. So generally more than 20 or below 20 is a polluted water, this is called polluted water. So option B is the correct answer. The next one, which of the following compound acts as a best catalyst for hydrogenation catalyst? Generally Wilkinson catalyst is a homogeneous, Wilkinson catalyst is a homogeneous catalyst. Generally tris-triphenyl phosphine rhodium chloride is the correct answer.